What up, everybody? Today we're going to do a small little unboxing video. Um, the weather's been getting nicer. We've been having a bunch of storms and stuff out here, so I haven't really had time to do much. And I've been sick with this bug that's been going around. But today we're going to do a little unboxing video of some tools that this company sent out. The brand is called Lemon Tech. You can find them on Amazon. They sent out a 5-piece ball joint separator kit. So let's get started. We'll open this up, see what all's in here. Kind of doing this one-handed. All right, there we go. So everything that comes in here: pivot arm puller, pivot arm, tie rod and puller, tie rod and ball joint remover, ball joint separator, pitman arm puller. Just kind of your basic stuff. Nothing crazy fancy. Stuff that you'd see kind of in an everyday kit. These are pretty solid, if you ask me. I've seen some kits online where they're not made really well. These ones seem to be made pretty well. Box is kind of a little dirty, but that's understandable when you get a brand new kit. My goal was to use these on this guy, but they're a little small for what I need here. We're currently redoing the front end, and then we're going to be doing the back as well. We're doing front end kit and then a lift kit and all that. It needs it. It started death wobble, so that's where we're at. But back to the tools. I mean, these are very, very well made. I'll be able to use these on all the projects around the house. Got a side-by-side if it needs fixed. Got the wife's 2 cars. We are in the process of doing a mobile mechanic business, so I mean, these will definitely come in handy. I would definitely check them out. There's the name, Lemon Tech. I will also leave a link in the description for you guys to go check out. But that's pretty much it. Just kind of a little unboxing video. Nothing too crazy. But yeah, there we go. Y'all have a good day.